The candle makers don't want you to know this. I no longer buy them on the market. Thanks to this advice, now my house smells like a millionaire's house thanks to this technique. In a pan, I will place 5 candles and I will leave them on low heat until they melt completely. Before I forget, tell me what country you are from to send you a special greeting. Today, the greeting goes to Elizabeth Matas from Mexico and Rosa Villegas from Ecuador. Thank you for watching our recipes. This advice is very easy and cheap. I am sure you will like it. Now that the candles have melted completely, I will turn off the heat and let the wax cool for a minute. I will remove the wicks from the candles to reserve them and use them later. Then I will add a spoonful of flavoring. You can choose the smell of your preference. To give it a decorative touch, I will use food coloring. Adding a few drops and mixing well. You can choose your favorite color. Observe how our wax looks and mix everything until the color is evenly integrated. Then I will remove the mixture and pour it into a glass jar of medium or small size. I will take one of the wicks that I removed and tie it to a wooden stick, placing it in the center of the container and leaving it there until the wax dries and is firm. The result is a beautiful aromatic candle that smells delicious. You can use this candle for special occasions, since the aromatic essence will give it a delicious smell. Everyone will wonder what smells so good when they visit your house. Place it in your living room, bedroom, bathroom, or kitchen, and be surprised by its aroma. If you have come this far, leave me a score from 1 to 10 to know that you watched the video until the end. If this is the first time you watch one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be the first to receive our videos.